Hi students, today I am going to explain amines. Amines are organic compounds. Amines are organic compounds. Organic compounds derived derived from amines. Derived from amines. Okay, next one. In nature, amines are present in proteins, hormones, proteins, hormones, and vitamins. In synthetic, it is very important. In synthetic, it is present in polymers and drugs. Okay, nowadays, especially in dentist, they are used as a anesthesia, that is a Novocaine. It is very important. It is a Novocaine. It is used as anesthesia. Anesthesia for dentists. Especially for at the time of root canal time, they have to use it is a one drug, that is the anesthetic drug, that is a Novocaine. It is a amines. It is very important, my dear students. What is the structure of amine? Okay, see there. Structure of amines. Okay, see here, amine structure. Structure of amines. Amine, it is a nitrogen, lone pair, hydrogen, and hydrogen. See here, according to Westphal theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, ammonia shape. Okay, so its shape is a pyramidal shape. Okay, next one. So it contains one bond pair and three lone pair. Very important, my dear students. One bond pair and one bond pair and three lone pairs. Its bond angle. Okay, its bond angle is 107 degrees. Actually, its bond angle is a 104. Okay. 109 degrees 109 degrees and 48 minutes. So due to its hybridization, it is a sp3 hybridization. Due to the presence of lone pair, it has two types of repulsions: lone pair, bond pair, and bond pair repulsions. This type of repulsions, so the bond angle decreases from 109 to 107. Very important. So ammonia shape, pyramidal shape, it contains one bond pair and three lone pairs. What is the bond angle? 109 degrees. 107 degrees. It undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, I told it is a amines are derivatives of ammonia. Amines. Suppose, see here, it is a first one. It is a amine. It is a lone pair. Very important. Derivatives of ammonia. One hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, that is a R. It is a NH2. Okay, this is the primary amine. Very important. It is a primary amine. It is a primary amine, or it is a 1 degree amine. Okay, next one. Suppose to remove another hydrogen by R, that is a R, Okay, it is NH. Okay, lone pair, and it is R. See here, R, it is a R dash. For the sake of difference, we have to write it is a R dash. It is a secondary amine. Secondary amine. Or it is denoted by, it is a 2-degree amine. Very important, my dear students. Secondary amine and 2-degree amine. Next one, to remove another hydrogen, that is the R. It is N lone pair. It is R dash. It is a R double dash. It is a tertiary amine. It is a tertiary amine. Tertiary amine, or it is a 3-degree amines. Okay, and very important, amines are Lewis bases. According to Lewis acid base theory, electron pair donor is a base. Okay, so ammonia, it is a lone pair. It is a, this is ammonia. This is primary amine. It is secondary amine. Very important. It is secondary amine. So it is a tertiary amine. These all are, it is a aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines. Aromatic amines, my dear students. It is a aromatic amines. Aromatic amines are, is very simple. That is a AR, that is a NH2. AR means it is a aryl group, or it is represented by, okay, like that. It is a benzene. Okay, it is NH2, or it is denoted by C6H5 is a NH2. This is the aniline. Aniline, very important. Okay, so it is a primary aromatic amines. In case secondary, this one, it is a AR, it is NH lone pair, it is a AR, or it is denoted by like this. It is a NH lone pair. Okay, this one, it is a secondary amine, my dear students. Secondary aromatic amines and tertiary amines, that is a AR, it is N lone pair. Next one, it is a AR, it is AR. You see there, my dear students. Similarly, it is a this one. This is a benzene ring. It is N lone pair. Okay. This all is a tertiary amines. It is a primary amine. Which one? This is primary amine. Okay, next one, it is secondary. Okay, sorry. This is a tertiary amine. It is secondary amine. It is a tertiary amines. My dear students. Okay, so amines are classified into two types. That is aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. And aliphatic amines again divide into three types. That is a primary, secondary, and tertiary. Similarly, aromatic also like that. Now I will discuss with the nomenclature of it is a amines. Nomenclature. Nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature. It is very important. So it is a common system and IUPAC system. In IUPAC system, in common system, what they said here is a, so in common system they have to use alkyl amine. It is a alkyl amine. Okay, so in IUPAC system it is a alkanamine. Okay, this one, it is very important. Alkyl amine and alkylamine. Suppose if you take this one, it is a CH3, it is a NH2, it is lone pair. Okay, see here, what is common name? It is a methyl amine. It is a methyl amine. What is IUPAC name? Okay, IUPAC name, this one, it is a very important. It is methane. Okay, methanamine. It is a methanamine. Very important. Next one, similarly, it is a C2H5. It is a NH2. C2H5 NH2. It is a ethyl amine. It is a ethyl amine. In IUPAC name, it is a ethanamine. It is ethanamine. Okay, very important, my dear students. This one it is a okay. It is a primary amines. It is a nomenclature. Okay, next one. See there. So suppose okay, see here. In case if you take it is a secondary amine, it is very important. Alright. Okay, now it is NH. It is a lone pair. It is okay. Sorry. It is a CH3. It is a CH3. Okay, now see here. It is a common name. What is common name? What is IUPAC name? In common name, it is very simple. It is a methyl. It is methyl. Dimethyl. It is a dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. What is IUPAC name, my dear students? Okay, so select the long chain. Okay, it is a nitrogen combines with any one carbon because of same. Okay, it is methyl group one carbon. It is also one carbon like that. This one. So methyl group is attached to N. That is a N-methyl. Okay, this is IUPAC name. N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl is a methanamine. Methanamine. It is okay. Next one. I'll take another example. See all of you. It is a C2H5. It is NH. It is a lone pair. It is a C2H5. Okay. See here. What is common name? In common name is see here. It is a ethyl group. It is ethyl group. Two ethyl groups. In the two ethyl groups, it is a diethyl. It is diethylamine. Okay, next one, same thing. Okay, so this group is attached to anyone because of here also two carbons, here also two carbons, like that. So this is ethyl group is attached to nitrogen. That is a N-ethyl. Okay, see here, N-ethyl ethanamine. N-ethyl ethanamine. Because of it contains two carbons. Next one, see here. It is C2H5. It is NH. It is a lone pair. It is a CH3. In this case, what happened here? Okay, so nitrogen is attached to which alkyl group contains it is a more number of carbons. See there. So that is it is this one. So methyl groups attached to N. They say what is IUPAC? Sorry, common name. And common name you have to see here. It is a so it is a methyl. It is ethyl. Okay, both are different alkyl groups. Followed by alphabetical order. It is M, it is E. Which one is coming first? E. It is a methyl. Okay, ethylamine. Ethylamine. Next one. So it is a C2H5. This one. What is IUPAC name? Okay, so it is a N-methyl. Okay, N-methyl. So here two carbons are there. Ethanamine. It is a ethanamine, my dear students. So this is for nomenclature of it is a secondary amines. Suppose if you take it is a tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. See here, it is a N lone pair CH3. It is CH3. It is a CH3. What is common name? What is IUPAC name? Its common name is. It is methyl. How many methyl groups are there here, my dear students? It is a 3 methyl groups. That is a trimethylamine. Trimethylamine. Next one, IUPAC name. My dear students, 3 carbons are same. Suppose maybe attaching this one. So it is a N comma N. That means 2 methyl groups are attached to nitrogen. Okay. So N comma N. It is a dimethyl. N comma N. It is dimethyl. Okay. Nitrogen attached to 1 carbon. It is a methanamine. Methanamine. It is very important. Okay. Don't confuse. Next one. It is a C2H5. It is N. It is a CH3. It is a CH3. Okay, same thing you have to see here. Okay, nitrogen is attached to T3 alkyl groups. Which one contains more number of carbons? That is the long chain. This is the long chain. See here. So it is a, what is a common name? In common name is, it is a, see there, it is a methyl, ethyl. It is a ethyl. Okay, ethyl, dimethyl amine. Ethyl, dimethyl and amine. In IUPAC name. So two methyl groups are attached to nitrogen. That is N comma N. It is a dimethyl. Okay, see here, dimethyl. Okay, so nitrogen attached to two carbons. It is a ethanamine. It is a ethanamine. Okay, this is the tertiary amines. I'll take one more example, my dear students. See here, it is a C2H5. It is N. It is a lone pair. C2H5. It is a C2H5. So what is IUPAC name and what is common name? It is a common name. It is a IUPAC name. See, my dear students, ethyl. Okay, three ethyl groups are there. That is a triethyl amine. This is the common name. What is IUPAC name, my dear students? When nitrogen is attached to any one, okay, alkyl group, because of all alkyl groups are equal number of, it is a, okay, carbons. That is a ethyl. That is a N comma N. It is a diethyl. N comma N. It is diethyl. Ethanamine. Okay, this is the nomenclature of, it is a amines. Okay, now I'll discuss with, it is a preparation of, it is amines. My dear students, okay, this nomenclature is little bit is important. Next one, suppose it is a aliphatic amines. If you take, it is a aromatic amines, especially it is very important for, it is a, okay, primary aromatic amines only. Suppose if you take this one, it is benzene, my dear students. It is a aromatic primary amine. Okay, this one. So what is common name? In common name is a aniline. In IUPAC name is a benzanamine. Okay, so it is enough. So this is for, it is a nomenclature of, it is a amines. Now I'll discuss with the preparation of, okay, it is a amines. Preparation of amines. Preparation of amines. Okay, my dear students, see here. First preparation, ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Okay, this is the first preparation. Okay, my dear students, that is a alkyl halide. You know, it is a alkyl halide function group. That is a R. It is X. It is alkyl halide. It is added with, it is a ammonia. It is a NH3. It is lone pair. In this reaction, ammonia can act as a nucleophile. My dear students, nucleophile. So it is a nucleophile. It is a partially negative charge. It is a partially positive charge. This group is attacking here only. It is very, very important, my dear students. That is a, so okay, gives rise to, see here, that is a R. NH3. It is plus. NH3, it is plus. Next one, it is a X minus. Okay, so it is a X minus. It is a substituted ammonium salt. It is a substituted ammonium salts. My dear students, it is very important. It is a substituted ammonium salts. Okay, next it is a reactive with, it is a NaOH. My dear students, see here. So this Na and X minus NaX is formed. Next one, in NH3, you have to see here. Suppose NH2 and NH, see is there. Okay, these two electrons are shifting to nitrogen. Okay, it is attached with there is a OH minus H2O. Water molecule is eliminated. Next one, there is a R. It is NH2. It is a lone pair. This is a primary amine. Primary amine, it is a major product. It is a major product, my dear students. So it is a major product. It is not stop. Next one, it is react with another. It is a it is react with another. It is a RX. It is very important, my dear students. It is a RX. See here. So this this one is attacking. Okay, so these are it is gained by this X. Okay, so it is a plus, it is a it is a partially positive, it is a partially negative. This group is attacking here only. Okay, you will get this compound. Very important, my dear students. See here, that is a R. It is a R and H2. It is a plus, my dear students. Next one, it is a R and H2 plus and X minus. See there. Next one, what happened here? If you take it is a NaOH, same thing, it is NaOH. What happened here? I'll write like that. It is a hex. So these electrons, okay, so it is a Na plus and X. It is a minus NaX. Next one. So these two electrons are gained by this one. This H and OH minus H2O is formed. Okay, next one, what is the compound, my dear students? It is a R is added here, that is a R, and the N, okay, it is a lone pair, it is a H. Next one, it is a R. This is the secondary amine. I hope it is a, you people are understood this one. It is a secondary amine. Am I right, my dear students? Secondary amine. Next again, it is a NaX. It is a RX. Sorry, it is a NaX is over. Next one, it is a RX. NH. Next one, it is a that is a RX. It is RX. Same thing, my dear students. It is a partially negative. It is a partially positive. This R is attacking here only. You will get the R. Okay, see here R. It is N. Okay, it is a plus. It is a H and R. It is a R. My dear students. Okay, next one. See there. Next it is a. Okay, next one, see, it is a G's raised to, see there. So this H, here hydrogen is there, these electrons are shifting here, okay, to form it is a R, and the N, it is lone pair, it is R, it is R, okay. So minus, it is a H plus, okay, so this is the ammonolysis of, it is a, ammonolysis of alkyl halide, okay, see here, it is a alkyl halide. Alkyl halide react with NH3. So NH3 ammonia can act as a nucleophile. It is R and X. So X is highly electronegative than it is alkyl groups. Okay, now it is a so this group is attacking here only. Okay, next one. So this compound is formed. This is called as a substituted ammonium salts. Next it is react with the NaOH. In this it is a Na and X. NaX is formed. Next one. So this NH3 allied like that only H. These two electrons are shifting to here. It is a positive charge is disappears. Next one. This H and OH. Water is formed. So to form it is a primary amine. It is the major product. Same is repeated. Primary amine is react with RX. You will get this one. Okay. Next again react with NaOH. That is a same thing. This these two electrons are shifting here. It is X and NaX and OH and H is water. It is a secondary amine is formed. Again react with this one. It is a RX. This compound is formed. Next one, these electrons are shifting finally to form. It is a tertiary amines.